Hello everyone, my name is Ronly Ronald Josta, holding matrix number E21A0659. Today I will explain the one species I choose, which is named polar bear or Ursus maritimus. The polar bear or Ursus maritimus is a hypercarnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. Encompassing the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas and surrounding land masses. It is the largest extant bear species as well as the largest extant land carnivore. Although most polar bears are born on land, they spend most of their time on the sea ice. Their scientific name means maritime bear and derived from his fact. Polar bear hunts their preferred food of seal from the edge of sea ice, often leaving a fat reserve when no sea ice is present. Because of their dependence on the sea ice, polar bears are classified as marine mammals. The taxonomy of polar bear. The polar bear, or Ursus maritimus, by Pepys, 1774, is on average the largest of the 8 species of bears found worldwide and is completely white. Ecologically, it is the only marine bear. Typically, the body is stocky, lacks a shoulder hump, and has a longer neck in relation to the rest of the body than other ursids. Other English common names for the species are white bear, ice bear, and nanook. The taxonomy is order Carnivora, family Ursidae, genus Ursus, and species U.maritimus. There are no subspecies. Ecology of polar bear or Ursus maritimus. Although small number of animals may be found in the permanent multi-year pack ice of the central Arctic basin, their preferred habitat is the annual ice over continental selvas of the continents and islands around the coastline of the Arctic Ocean, where overall biological productivity and the density of range seals Hispida. Their primary prey are greatest regional concentration and seasonal movement pattern of polar bear are influenced primarily by the type and distribution of sea ice and by the density and distribution of seal. The interesting research about polar bear. Polar bears are important to the culture and economy of Aboriginal people in Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and Siberia, who harvest 8 until 900 bears annually. Offshore development and production of hydrocarbon has the potential to impact negatively on polar bears. Many anthropogenic contaminants in the Arctic marine ecosystem are lipophilic and bioaccumulate as they move up in the food chain. Because polar bears are at the top of the ecological pyramid and live predominantly on fat, they are capable of achieving high level of contaminant loading in some areas. It is not yet known whether these contaminants are high enough to interfere with reproductive function or the immune system. In recent years, ecotourism to view polar bears, especially at Churchill, Manitoba, has increased markedly with positive local economic benefits and a significant increase in the worldwide appreciation of the bear themselves. Tourist viewing of polar bears are in Churchill in the fall and by ship in various areas of the high Arctic in summer has not been associated with negative effects on the bear.